Yeah, yeah, touch, What's going on in the world today? What's going on outside the USA? What's going on your block, on your corner per se? What's going on your campus, or your dormitory? Lacing my vision while involved on a brand new mission. Original touch of cast style, fresh with no rendition. Sick on the microphone, diagnose my own prescription. Ism got my levels on point, so I'm never clipping. Hit every angle when I tangle, miss the pole position. Global star on the mic, satellite description. Never rusty, puffin' Dutchy, feeling cutty, spitting cotton linen blend with my penmanship. But listen, cause I do it like that. And be your boy, touch a cast with the ill format. And every time I grab the mic, brothers giving me that fist grip for a pound, open hand double slap. Always moving forward, though I like taking it back. With them old school dudes, can I get a soul clap? Keep the way I rock steady and see the L's go down smooth. There's reportings on the grind, making moves. None of niggas can't stand the truth. Scattered brain on the mic, I stay focused in the booth. None of niggas can't stand the truth. I'm like Veteran Stadium, you're just a new recruit. None of niggas can't stand the truth. My brain contains terabytes of space, rhymes through cool. None of niggas can't stand the truth. I was the man from youth, look like a 3-piece suit. What's going on in my world today? What's going on outside the USA? What's going on?